Today I'll be showing you how to pick a padlock. It's just a standard padlock. Here's the key for it. Just stick the key in and it's a regular lock. I'm just going to use a rake, a tension wrench. Stick the tension wrench opposite from the plug, or opposite from the pins in the plug. And this one turns both ways, so I'm just going to go like that. And then I stick the rake all the way to the back. For this one you gotta kind of fiddle around to get the rake all there. It goes all the way to the back, and you push up while turning the tension wrench. And it should go. You just rake it like that, and if it doesn't go, do it again. You gotta put it all the way to the back. Push up. There it went. Like that. Do it again. It's locked. Tension wrench opposite. Pins. Apply pressure. Take the rake all the way to the back. Well, that time it just went real quick. The pins must have not reset on that time. So this time I'll just set them better. Key, as you can see, turns both ways. We'll try it again. Tension wrench, opposite pins. Stick the rake all the way to the back. So it's pretty simple. For a deadbolt, like on the outside of your house, you need another tool like a short hook, because it's not as easy. So yeah, I just bought this off the internet. You can watch my previous videos to find out where to get them. Thanks for watching.